It's recording a little bit. It's a nature walk. This trail's not paved like the other one was. There's Patsy Pond something.
This one, you're closer to the animals.
We're getting close to animals?
I mean, in this, you know.
Uh-huh. I don't see any animals. I hear a few birds. I see some roots. I have to look down because there's roots. Now this is a nice day. It's February the 7th, 2023. We're on the short trail.
When you first time, it's going to feel like you're a little bit longer than...
Okay.
You have to get used to it. Good exercise.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it. I love to walk. This is different.